You know, the whole idea of reading minds and getting into people's heads has always fascinated me as an illusionist. And I want to try something on those lines. Like, think about this for a second now. If I could, let's just pick someone for this again. What is your name, man? Be- Beast. Hi, Beast. I'm Beauty. Hi. Hi. Fine. Sorry for that. But Beast, my friend. Beast, my friend. Why do I have a friend named Beast? Beast! What if I told you right now to think of a word, any word from the English language, doesn't matter. You tell me the word, and whatever word that you are thinking of is already printed on a piece of paper which I've kept right here. Would that freak you out? I know, right? Somebody just said fuck behind you. They're not going to fuck you, they're just going to say, he just got up and. That'd be crazy, right? That'd be crazy. I mean, my favorite superhero isn't even Captain America or Iron Man. I like the Professor X guy on the wheelchair because he's got mind reading skills, you know. I sometimes I feel that he's not really paralyzed, he's just lazy. Because, dude, if I could read minds, I would also sit on a chair and go like, bring me food. You know what I'm saying? But I like that guy. That's my favorite superhero. So I want you to, let's try this out. Name a word, any word that comes to your mind. Now, Beast. What is the word again? The fuck is your word? All right, Beast. So much inspired. Fuck, right? Okay. Beast, how amazed would you be if I pull out a piece of paper and fuck is printed on that? That would scare you? Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment. Because I have right here, Beast. You said fuck. Free choice. I have here, Beast, a pocket dictionary. Your word will be somewhere inside. Printed also. Printed. Now, you know, backtrack this for 10 seconds and ask yourself a question. If Beast randomly said fuck and I actually removed only one single sheet of paper with fuck written on it, you guys would have lost your shit, right? All 5 lakh of you would have just gone like, what the fuck, man? How does he know, right? So we're going to try something on those lines. Beast, you can stay there where you are. I have a book that I read almost every day. This is the big book of silly jokes, right? And a book I almost read every night, 50 Shades of Grey. Now, yeah, it's a good book. Anybody's read the book before? Anybody here? You've read the book? You've also seen the movie? Is it true when people say that the book is more erotic than the movie? It is, right? I should watch it. Because, you know, it's a hassle to read the book. You can't read it with one hand. It's like the pages and turning and, yeah, because you're eating. What the fuck, dude? You're eating. Why would you laugh on that? All right, let's try this with someone. Ma'am, what is your name? Ashika. Ashika, do you mind joining me on stage for this? Give her a huge round of applause. This side you stand, Ashika. We've got 2 books here. Big book of silly jokes, 50 Shades of Grey. Touch one, anyone you like. Okay, take that. Lovely, and just hold it. Now what we're going to do, Ashika, here, is that I'm going to riffle my fingers on the edge of the pages. You will say stop. Wherever you tell me to stop, I'll open that page up for you. The page number is 27. You'll open page 27 in that book. But not 27 now, because I know 27, right? A lot of people think I've memorized the whole book. If I could, I wouldn't have dropped out of college, right? But I have. So I haven't memorized the book. But still, just for the sake of the audience, I will also not see the page number. You will get to see it. So say stop when I do this. Right there. Can you look at the page number at the bottom? Yeah. Do you get it? Okay, perfect. Ashika, open up to that page. Keep the book towards you all the time. Just simply open up to that page in that book. Lovely. And you can go through the book, make sure every page and word is different. And if you want to do that. Yeah, I would have never given you the book if it was a fake book. Yeah, magicians don't do that. इसमें देख डब्बे के अंदर डब्बा है. नहीं देता मैं हाथ में. नहीं देता. There's nothing wrong. Now, have you opened up to that page, Ashika? Okay, I want you to don't say anything out loud. Just in your mind, can you see the top line, the first line on that page? And can you see the first word on that first line? Not L. James 50 Shades. That's the title. That's on every page. No, I've had people going like, what word are you thinking of? L. James. I'm like, oh, bencho to naam hai, book ka naam hai. So get the first word from the first line on that page. Do you see it? Can you remember the word? Is it easy? Okay, shut the book. Throw it away. Throw it away. Or maybe give it to Sarjun. Dude, it's high time your friends also start respecting you like this, man. I'm telling you. I mean, they respect you, but this is like another level. I mean, I did a show for Ambani's and now we have Sarjun. My career graph is just like, boom. Okay. Ashika, you're thinking of a word now. There's no way I can know that word. Yeah, because So many pages, any page, any word in the book. I'm going to try and guess your word, Ashika. We're going to try this. Let me just get my marker real quick. We don't need that. So that viewers don't get confused, we'll take a new page. Lovely. Now, Ashika, think about this. One random word from a book. They haven't seen it, I haven't seen it. And we've never met before, have we? Nobody told you before the show, hey, listen, Ashika, Karan will call you on stage, think of this word. That should never happen. Okay. Ashika, focus on the word for me. Count the number of letters in your head. Don't say anything out loud, just keep counting it again and again, again and again. Just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for me. Say it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I feel it's somewhere close to 3 or 4 words in the word. Yeah, letters, yes? 3 or 4 letters in the word, lovely. We'll try this. I have written something down, guys. I'm going to shut the pen, put it away. Ashika, I'm committed to the word that I've written. I cannot change this now. For the first time out loud for the whole audience, from all the words that you could have thought of, what word are you thinking of?
Do I say it? Crap.
No, not how you feel about the show. What was the word that you were thinking of?
Crap.
The word was crap. The word was crap. Now think about this, Ashika. All the words, all the pages, you thought of a random word. We did not set this up. There is no way I was supposed to know that. You were thinking of the word crap. I wrote down a word on this. Ladies and gentlemen, that's exactly what I've written. I've written crap in Chinese. There you go. In Chinese. Nobody knows Chinese here? Nobody. You never told me that 25 lakh people are coming for the show and nobody knows Chinese. You could have told me that. Like fucking they give us a virus. We don't even bother to learn the language and fucking abuse them in it. Chinese में mother चौथ बोलेंगे क्या सही लगेगा मालूम? Fuck, this was the big ending to the show. I don't know what to do anymore. Sarjun is behaving like 50 Shades of Bhagavad Gita. He's like, and I will also take like Sarjun. 50 Shades of Grey. Crap was the word you thought of. Unfucking real. Now I have to fix this. You remember in the beginning of the show we did this silent thing. Okay, people watching this video at home, you'll have to watch the first 2 parts before to know what the fuck I'm talking about. But we did this thing with the sheets and something came up which made no sense. And this has been lying here since the beginning, 126L5. And even before you thought of the word crap, I already gave Beast a dictionary, didn't I, Beast? 126 Beast, page 126. We are just going to dramatically do this. Do you find 126? Beast, listen to me. Beast, look at me. Don't have to read the dictionary. It's not a newspaper. Look at me. There are 2 columns in a dictionary, right-hand side, left-hand side. L. Look at your left-hand side column in that. Just look at it. Do you find your left-hand side column? Yes? And now 5. So you're going to count down, Beast. Don't say the word, but just count down to the 5th word on 126 left-hand side on the dictionary, Beast. The words are written in bold. You could have thought of any word, you thought of the word crap. Beast, out loud for the whole audience to hear, what is the 5th word on the left-hand side of page 126 in that dictionary? Crap! Ladies and gentlemen, crap! Thank you so much, Ashika. You were wonderful. You can go back to your seat. Thank you so much, Beast. I will take that back. I have another show tomorrow. Give Beast a round of applause. Fantastic.